is the primary orchid used in Citrus 5, an orchid hybrid species that was developed in 1963. It is recognized by its exotic apple blossom smell and is very suitable as tabletop decorative flowers. The importance of taking time for breathers once in a while is emphasized repeatedly, especially during difficult and trying times. Therapeutic oils can greatly help you to calm down and feel at ease. These orchids we include also contain such effects which would provide benefits for individuals who seek to improve psychological well-being. In a fragrance, scent enhancers are added to give the fragrance complexity and create a more dynamic and complete scent. In this case, green apple is added. It has an airy and refreshing scent with subtle hints of sweetness. You may have grown up hearing that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Like the literal fruit, it provides good health benefits. It is said that smelling it can alleviate migraines and improve focus. Pomelo scent enhancers are also added to blend with the main citrus orchid, enhancing the fragrance juiciness and sweet undertones. The scent alleviates stress and improves mood, helping to reduce fatigue as well. Fragrances are like different sides of a sphere. There's no right or wrong way towards your preferences. So come, smell it, and decide for yourself. Kindly note, the scent notes, particularly orchid scent notes, sometimes change due to soil, temperature, and other variations.